This is a tough spot to find, Fort Needham Memorial Park. But I found it. You see that? I guess that's a boat. Right around there, that's where the Halifax explosion happened, taking out the entire area between where I am now and that, well, and the shore. Once known as Richmond, now it's just part of the north end of Halifax. Anyway, here at this park, they've erected a memorial to everyone that perished there. And all those bells. There used to be a fort here, so anything on the opposite side of here was actually somewhat sheltered by the exploding debris and whatnot. So even though the fort itself is long gone, even at the time of the explosion, it was basically overtaken by all the other military structures in town, such as the Citadel. And now this place is just a memorial and a sports park in the middle of an otherwise residential neighborhood. That's a nice swing. So this is Richmond Street, and that's Pier 6, dead ahead. That's where the explosion happened. More or less. The boats collided out in the harbor, and then the Mont Blanc started coasting towards the land, which no one wanted. They wanted to get it out into the ocean as quickly as possible. And fortunately, my great-grandmother's husband was unable to accomplish that, and he perished, but that's why he died. And his name was Albert Mattison. And it's maybe a common name, but there is a street bearing his name just down the road from where it happened. Coincidence? Maybe. Or is it?